You can always make yourself a cluster out of 11-inch balloons. So what you would do is you would underinflate, and then where this knot is, you're going to go ahead and place your finger over top of that, and then you're going to go ahead and squeeze and twist so that you have two bubbles. So you're going to get something that looks like this, okay? Now, I don't tie this. Some people take and wrap it around and tie the knot and this stays, but because I know I'm going to be adding another cluster, another 11-inch into it, I don't need to. I'm just going to take another one and I'm going to squeeze it and twist, just like that. Now I'm going to incorporate these two together, just like that, and then you have a cluster.